technologies such as VR, AR, and MR have been growing in popularity, making it increasingly difficult to separate the physical and digital worlds. Not only are these extended realities being used for leisure and gamification, but also in business. From healthcare to manufacturing to retail to transportation, the rapid growth of these disruptive technologies will be a game changer for businesses looking to gain new perspectives on their operations and opportunities. Immersive technologies are taken to new levels by integrating concepts such as AI, predictive analytics, and digital twins. Join us on Thursday, October 28th, for Beyond IoT, where we will discuss how these new tech innovations are merging the physical, digital, and virtual worlds. Discussion points include the difference between VR, AR, MR, and XR, how immersive technologies are being used to create new opportunities for consumer entertainment, cost versus value comparisons for immersive technologies in business, AI-enhanced augmented reality, and where we see the industry headed. Don't wait, register now to join us on Thursday, October 28th for Beyond IoT. See you at the webinar.